Hello everyone, in this video we will study about matter. First we discuss about matter. What is matter? In our daily life, we come across various kinds of materials like table, chair, computer, etc. All materials are made up of matter. So matter is something which occupies space and have mass. We take example of table. Table occupies some space and table has some mass, so that the reason we say that table is a matter. Okay, so now classification of matter. On basis of physical states, all matter can be classified into three groups. The three groups are: first is solids, liquids and gases. First we discuss solids. Particles are closely packed as they have strong force of attraction between the particles. Due to this, solid has fixed shape. Solid has a fixed volume because there is no space between the particles. Solids cannot be compressed because particles are closely packed and there are no spaces between them. A solid does not flow like a liquid because its particles are held very strongly and unable to leave their fixed position. Fifth point is rigid. Rigid means difficult to bend. So it's very difficult to bend the solids. So solids are rigid. Now second group is liquids. Particles are close together but not enclosed as in solids. The interparticle forces is less strong to hold the particles in fixed positions. Liquid does not have fixed shape. Like when you take a milk in a glass, the milk take shape of glass, and when you pour same milk in another container, the milk takes shape of that particular container. So we can say liquid can change their shape. Liquid has fixed volume as at given temperature. The spaces between its particles are fixed. Liquid cannot be compressed because particles have small space between them. Then fourth point, liquid flows easily because its particles are able to slide over one another due to slightly weaker in the particles forces of attractions. Then fifth one, liquids not rigids. Now third group is a gases. Particles are further apart from one another as compared to the solids and liquids. Force of attraction between particles are negligible. So particles of gas are free to move in any directions. So that the reason gas does not have a fixed shape because position of its particles are not fixed. Okay. Then gas does not have fixed volume because spaces between its particles are not fixed. They can move anywhere and it's take place the shape of container. Then gas can be compressed easily because gas particles have large space between them. A gas flows easily because particles are free to move anywhere. Then gases are not rigids. Okay, so here we are discuss about solid, liquid and gas. Thank you for watching the video.